So for the next 2 days, Bambi was the one who was very thirsty and she drank a lot of water, and now she is feeling sorry for herself that whatever she has done. Now she even tried to find a comfortable position to lie down, but because of indigestion she can't find that comfortable position to lie down properly. Needless to add, there was lots and lots of cleaning up to do behind her because she was suffering from indigestion. So she was not only she herself became uncomfortable, but she also made the housemates uncomfortable because of her this habit. She left a lot of cleaning work for them. Of course, she didn't learn a thing from the experience and repeated the performance another time with a kadhai full of oil in which kebabs has been fried. Author said, but she had not learned any kind of lesson from that episode. She repeated episodes like this oftenly. One time she had done the same thing with a kadai full with the oil in which the kebabs has been fried. She also discovered the waste paper baskets was very interesting places to put her face into, and her investigations could not unexpected and startling consequences. She was having the habit of smelling each and everything, so she started smelling and started looking at the waste paper baskets, and she was having that habit, and because of that habit she also suffered sometimes, but she can't stop herself for doing all these things. One afternoon, Mina's mother-in-law was invited to tea. So on one occasion, Mina's mother-in-law she was invited for tea at the author's house. As usual, my mother had gone all out with elaborate preparations. There were dainty egg and cucumber sandwiches in a decorative garnish and grated cabbage and carrots. So she had done preparations in a very royal manner. She has made sandwiches of dainty egg and cucumber. She also decorated it with cabbage and carrots. There was a cake and a magnificent ball of rasmalai. She has also made a cake and rasmalai for Mina's mother-in-law, all loaded up and decked up in a white lace. The tea trolley squatted resplendently. The meaning of it is set with a bright and beautiful appearance in the dining room, glittering with china and silver, ready to be rolled out in style. So she had made a very good preparations for Mina's mother-in-law, and all the trolley was decorated with white colored crockery, and all the things were placed there in a very proper manner. As usual, tea would be served in the veranda where the guest has been entertained. Excusing herself, my mother went to the dining room to make sure everything was perfect and to wheel out the trolley. So the tea trolley was there in the dining room, but they used to serve their guests in the veranda. So the author's mother she went to the dining room in order to check that whether the trolley was in a proper order or not. But horror of horrors, what was that familiar and very suspicious headless brown shaped right next to the trolley were those crippling, struggling noises emitting from the underneath of the tablecloth draped over. So what happened? Suddenly, when she went there in order to take out the tea trolley from the dining room to the veranda, she has seen something of brown color underneath the table, and she also heard some slobbering noises coming from underneath the tablecloth. Bambi, Bambi, bad dog, naughty girl, get out your face out of there at once. Ranjit, Mala, get your wretched dog out of here. So author's mother, she scolded Bambi, and she also called Ranjit and Mala that please take your wretched dog out of here.